Hi, I'm Donna Wolf from naztazia.com.
In this video, I'll show how to crochet 2 rows at the same time using linked double crochet stitches. To do this, start with any number of chains for the width of the item, and then add 1 more chain. Next, I'm using a substitute to the normal chain stitches. I'm using stackable single crochet stitches. These are single crochet stitches that are made into the side of the previous single crochet stitch, which creates stitches on top of the previous ones. I'm making a total of 4 single crochet stitches. The 2 single crochet stitches on the bottom serve as the first row of the double crochet stitches, and the 2 single crochet stitches on the top serve as the second row of the double crochet stitches. The next technique that I'm going to show looks a little like Tunisian crochet combined with crochet linked stitches. Start with the yarn over like in regular double crochet stitches. Insert the crochet hook through the side of the second single crochet stitch. Make a yarn over, but don't pull that through just yet. Insert the crochet hook into the next chain stitch. Make a yarn over and draw up a loop. There should be 5 loops on the hook. Here's where it's similar to Tunisian crochet. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops at a time until there is just 1 loop left on the crochet hook, and there are 2 finished rows of double crochet stitches. For all subsequent stitches, I'll look for that prominent diagonal line and then make my linked stitch into the loop right next to it. So I start off with making a yarn over on my crochet hook, then inserting the crochet hook through that loop on the side of the previous row's stitch to link it. Then I make another yarn over and insert my hook into the next chain stitch. Draw up a loop and fix that yarn over's loop since it's not always where it should be. Then, like Tunisian crochet, make a yarn over and take off 2 loops at a time until there is just 1 loop remaining on the crochet hook. And there's another set of stackable double crochet stitches that form 2 rows at a time. Once the first set of stackable double crochet stitches are made, it's time to make the next set of stitches and 2 rows. To do this, I just turn my work and do not make any chain stitches. I go right into the first stitch and start making my 4 stackable single crochet stitches. The first 2 single crochet stitches form, in this case, row 3, and the next set of 2 single crochet stitches form row 4 in this sample. I repeat what I did before and make a yarn over, then insert the crochet hook through the single crochet, yarn over, into the next stitch, and then take off 2 loops at a time, which is very similar to what is done in Tunisian crochet, until just 1 loop remains on the crochet hook. In my sample, I'm going under both crochet loops, but other options can be done too, like back loop, front loop, even post stitches like front post, back post, and more. Then continue the same process. The nice thing about crocheting 2 rows at a time is when color changes occur. They can be done at the same side that was started, so that all of the stitches face forward and no turning of rows. In this case, I'm starting on the same side with the green yarn as I did with the pink yarn, so that all of my double crochet stitches face forward for every row. And that's how I crochet 2 rows at a time using stackable double crochet stitches.